Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your payment history on the Rover app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see who you've paid on Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Rover. Then click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Payments. Then on this page here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you're going to find your payment history. So you can see your earnings, pending earnings, withdrawals, payments, payment issues, and other. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your payment history on Rover. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.